All right, so a follow-up from when I put the, I did the PCV reroute or CCV reroute, and then I also did the SPE fuel filter. But since I did those two things, one of the two things have increased the mileage by like at least a mile per gallon. My driving hasn't changed any. I still drive it to work and back, but for some reason the mileage has gone up. So I find that sort of interesting. I just thought I'd throw it in here with the rest of the video as a follow-up, since I haven't quite edited the fuel filter video yet.